We interrupt you by this. Trollge will arrive in 1 year. Trollge will now come in 4 months. He is hiding dead bodies in people's houses now, so make sure you don't see a dead body in your house. Trollge will come in 2 weeks. He just made an army of millions of giant killer beetles. So lock your doors and close your blinds and cover your house with iron. And he has destroyed 45,000 buildings. Trollge will come in 3 days. The power we lost 45 people, so be careful. His hands were replaced as chainsaws. Oh no. Trollge will come in 1 day. Go to the basement of your house, and if you don't have a basement, then hide in the closet. Oh. No. Trollge will come in 1 hour, so be careful. Congratulations. Trollge is gone now, and all the killer beetles are gone now. Everything is back to normal.